There are several ways we can discover what are the requirements of the system, such as brainstorming, survey, scenarios, meeting, observation and ethnography, and also document reviewing. Brainstorming is when a group of stakeholders generate ideas of what the system needs and what the system should have. Requirement brainstorming can be done in two parts. In the first part, ideas are generated in vast amount and no ideas are rejected. In the second part, ideas are analyzed to make the requirement. Survey is done to stakeholders to find out more detailed information and also cover a large group of stakeholders. Interview is done with the purpose of reacting to the responses of interviewee on the spot. In unstructured interview, responses of interviewee guides the interview. In structured interview, interviewer works through predetermined set of a question. Questionnaire is cheap and fast way to gather a large volume of responses. Questionnaire consists of a set of close-ended or open-ended questions. Close-ended question is easier to analyze, while open-ended question reflects on what the respondent want to say. Scenarios or process modeling is stories to explain how the system might be used. Use cases, sequence diagram, and user stories are examples of scenarios. Meeting is a formal process of gathering information. Proper agenda is prepared to clarify issues and negotiating or validating solutions. Attendees of a meeting are also carefully selected. Requirement workshop is usually involve a large participant and also combine other techniques such as questionnaire or interviews. Conferencing is done through the aid of technology to include participants in a meeting. Observation is simply observing the activities and processes of the stakeholders at their working environment. Ethnography is the way of documenting the observation to make them more systematic and organic data gathering. Focused ethnography uses the aid of technology to record data from multiple angles. Document reviewing is to elicit information from existing documentation of an existing system. It is very effective as it provides detailed information, but finding a specific information can be time-consuming and frustrating for the researcher. Prototyping involves creating a working version of a product so that user can try it out and discover what they want from the system very clearly. There are many types of prototyping which we will discuss next.
Created using Powtoon.